welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I get my hair like pinned straight without like any frizz or anything, because I get a lot of questions about my hair. That's why my channel has been full of hair videos lately. If you can tell, I dyed my hair purple. That video is up. I posted it a couple days ago, so if you want to go see that, you can go watch that. I'll have that in the description box. And you can tell it's faded a whole lot. So like the front of my hair here is very white and like here is like brown. It's just kind of a rainbow on my head right now. But yeah, today I'm just going to be sharing with you guys the methods I use to straighten my hair. I have a few little secrets I use that I'll be sharing with you guys. So if you want to see how I straighten my hair, then keep on watching. Okay, so first, obviously, you're going to brush out your hair. I just use this is full of hair. It's kind of disgusting, but this is a Conair wet brush. I use it on my hair when it's wet, and I also have a paddle brush, but I prefer this one because it detangles it really well. I'm just going to brush my hair, and my hair is really long. I don't know if you can just... It's like almost down... Here's my belly button. It's like almost down to my belly button, so it's really long. So I'm going to brush it out, and I always split it into two because I can't really go like this. It's hard. And then I put in a few products. I don't really use like a heat protectant because I don't feel like buying them. They're kind of expensive, and I don't feel like buying them anymore. I use this Vidal Sassoon spray color protect. It's like a leave-in conditioner, and it just protects your color. I don't really know if it protects your hair from heat, but I just use like one pump on my hand, and I brush it, rub it through the ends. Oh, I didn't show you. This is what it looks like. Ta-da! And here is my trick. It's not really a trick. I don't know if anyone's done this before, but this is what I use, and it works so well for me. I use coconut oil, but I put like the tiniest bit on the tip of my finger and rub it in my hands to warm it up because I use the butter form, not the liquid form. And then I put it in my hair up to about here. I never go past the ear or else your hair will just look greasy. And I use the smallest bit, and then when I take the straightener and go along it, it heats it up and it like seeps into your hair, and it takes away like the frizz. Like I have like a bit of frizz. It looks kind of poofy. And so using the coconut oil will like, I don't know, it like really makes it look sleek and shiny but not greasy, you know, because I don't use a lot. Like you guys will see I don't use a lot at all. So that is like the whole secret of this video is the coconut oil, and it's also good for your hair, like because I'm leaving it in for like since till I wash my hair the next time. It'll like really keep my hair healthy. And on my previous video, I got like the purple hair. I got a couple questions on how I keep my hair healthy, and I was like, coconut oil, honey. It's the coconut oil. You gotta keep your hair healthy with the coconut oil. Like screw Moroccan and argan oils. Freaking coconut oil all the way. It does a lot. And the other trick is just sectioning it, because a lot of people will just like go like this and like not get every piece of hair. So yeah, I'll just get into it and stop fucking talking because I've been talking for 4 minutes. Anyways, so I'm just gonna start by sectioning my hair. Okay, so I do kind of small sections. I think I go through at least 5 or 6 sections throughout my whole head, but it seems like a lot. Hair is super long and super thick, so I feel like this is the only way I can get it pinned straight because I'm getting every single piece of hair. So just brush it through. And another trick I use is a comb. I use the thin side here, not this thick side, the thin side. And I go like this and straighten as I pull because it gets every hair. I don't know. But first is the coconut oil. I take a bit of this, and it's kind of hard right now. Wow, you can't even see that because this is so bright. Because it's kind of cold out, but when it's hot out, it usually melts in my cover, which I don't think is good, but like whatever. So I'll show you guys how much I use. This is a really small section I have, so I'm not going to use a lot at all. This is all I use. See that? And a little bit on my hand. That is my dog. And I just rub it between my hands so that it kind of melts. Like you can see my hands are like really, wow, my hands are so red. My hands are like really shiny. That's the oil. And I start on the bottoms. See, that wasn't enough, but I'll probably go in with a bit more. And I go like this. Actually, no, that was enough. Yeah. You can see like a difference already. It looks kind of wet. Like since I'm not going past like my ear, it doesn't look greasy. Your hair will just look shiny. So this coconut oil kind of smells like a macaroon. which I don't really like because I don't want my hair smelling like a macaroon. Brush that through. Okay, now I take my straightener. The straightener I use, oh wow, that's really hot. Got to freaking turn down the setting. I use this straightener. It's by Coriolis. It's a professional straightening iron. This I got from like a booth in the mall. It's actually my mom's and it came with this little case. But this is actually broken. I'm pretty sure there's like a short in it, and so I always have it on the lowest setting, like on the little dial here. I turn it all the way down and it still gets so hot, like I can barely touch this piece. So I'm pretty sure it's broken, which is not good for my hair, but my straightener that I have, it's blue. It's not really good because when I go like this, I feel like my hair gets stuck in the plates and rips it out. So I've been using a broken straightener that's really hot, so I have to be really careful. But yeah, it's got ceramic plates. I'd recommend ceramic plates over metal plates because the ceramic is just, I don't know, it's nicer. I don't know. So I go like this. I hold the comb on here. I don't have a mirror, so I gotta use my phone. And I go super fast because my straightener's broken and it's really hot. And I go over it about twice, and the ends I go over 3 times. Like that. And that's one little piece straight. And then I flip that to the back. And then do it again. I'm taking about 2-inch sections maybe. I'm telling you, the coconut oil helps so much. And it's also really good for your hair because you're heating up the oil. It'll seep into your hair better. This is making me dizzy. I can't even see because I'm using my phone. This is literally all I do, but like the secret is the coconut oil. Like do what I did with the coconut oil and your hair will be pin straight and shiny and so healthy looking. That's one section done, and you can already see a difference. Like see how this side is like bigger looking, like it looks thicker and like it's just poofy. This side is like sleek and it's shinier. I'm gonna go ahead and do this other side too, and I'll catch up with you guys when this side is done and move on to the next section. Okay, so I kind of took bigger sections this time. I don't know why, but that's just what I grabbed. Take some of that coconut oil, the smallest, tiniest little bit, warm it up, and put it on the ends. I try and focus it on the very, very ends because my ends are really dry because my hair is like bleached and dyed, but it's quite healthy because of the coconut oil. Go right to the root without like burning your scalp. And I hold it with a comb too so that my hands don't burn off. That just kind of just shows how hot my straightener is. Just go over it a few times. Ow! Oh my god. Let's get an instant replay on that. That fucking hurt. Anyways, now that my hand's broken, we're just gonna continue. This is a big section, Sarah. What are you doing? This isn't gonna straighten properly. I literally can't see. I'm so blind. Like I have glasses, and just from looking back here, I'm blurry on the screen, so I have to get like really close. This is ASMR. So ASMR. Like this is an ASMR straightening hair video. If you've never like listened to ASMR videos, you're missing out. That's my therapy. I don't go to a therapist. I just listen to ASMR YouTube videos. See how that root piece there is like kinked up? I can't really get that because this is like, I don't know what barrel this is. It's like a, not barrel. I don't know. It looks like 1.5 inches. You'll need like a 1-inch straightener to get that close to your scalp. So if you've got like curly, cultured African hair, you're gonna need a thinner straightener to get to your roots. My floors are heated and my butt is sweating. Okay, this front piece is not cute. I gotta fix that. The camera doesn't show the fucking difference. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side because this video is gonna be too long if I just keep all this in. So now this is the third section. I'm taking kind of large sections, but because I have a side part, there's always more hair on this side of my head. So this side usually has 4 sections and this side has like 5 to 6 depending on how big of sections I took. I put in the coconut oil. I do it per section, like I don't put it all over my hair first, just so that I can make sure I'm getting like my hair pretty well, like saturated in coconut oil. But yeah, that's basically the trick of this video, is just the coconut oil. It's not even that big of a secret, but everyone asks me, so I thought I'd make a video. So get you some coconut oil, use the smallest bit or else you'll have nasty, like greasy ass hair that'll smell like a macaroon. And the other trick is using a comb and sectioning it, because when you use the comb, it really separates the hair and straightens every piece. So when you use the comb, you just drag it along your hair. Starting from the root, and just drag it as you straighten it. It takes a little while to get used to holding a comb in the other hand, but this is how I've been straightening my hair for like years now. I saw it in a video. Like there was this video of a girl with like crazy long hair. I don't know if you've seen it. And like when she straightened her hair, she used a comb. And I was like, let me try that. And so yeah. I don't know if you guys want to just watch me talk about it or you want me to speed this up. So I'll probably just speed everything up and show you the final result. Look at my makeup today. Ever since I had purple hair, since I like dyed my hair purple, I've been using gold on my lids and pink under my lashes, and it looks so cute. So if you want to see a tutorial, can you comment and let me know? I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I will love you for 1,000 years. Oh, that reminds me. I haven't posted a cover in a while. If you guys want to see a cover, let me know, because I have a few up on my channel, but I haven't really made one in a while. But if you follow me on Instagram, I have like 3 Instagram accounts. One is my main account, which is just Sarra Cicero. I'll have all these in the description box. And then I have a makeup account. It's kind of like my portfolio because I want to be a makeup artist. And then, oh, that's SNC Beauty. And then I have an account where I post little covers, and that's at Sarra Sings. And so I'll let you guys go look at that. I post covers on there every once in a while. And I sometimes post them on my main channel story, or my main channel, the story of my main. You can go check those out if you really want to. Look at all the acne I have. I love being a teenager. What the fuck was that? This side, that's one nice section, so I'm gonna just leave that. And then this I always just put aside for later, just as a snack, or just if I get hungry. What? Okay. You say you got a girl. Have you guys listened to that song called Weekend by Calvin Harris and SZA? I don't fucking know. It's so good. I posted a cover of that on my Instagram once and everyone liked it. So you say you got a girl and now you want me, how you want me when you got a girl. Feeling is reckless of knowing it's selfish and knowing I'm desperate, getting all in your love, falling all over love, like do it till it's last. This video is like 10 minutes long, this clip alone, so like that means this whole video is gonna be like fucking 13 minutes or something, maybe 20, I don't know. I'm just gonna straighten the rest of this and then I'll catch up. Look at my cute romper. Oop, you can see my bra. Oops. So I'm done. This is what it looks like. See how like shiny it looks, but it doesn't look greasy. It's super straight. This is as straight as it gets. Like it's not frizzy. It looks baked because I have super thick hair. Now you guys can stop asking me how my hair is so healthy and how I get it so straight. I usually do this at the beginning of every week, and then after like 3 days I wash my hair, or 4 days because it's like dyed and I don't really like to wash it too often. which sounds gross, but it's not. Google it, it's healthier. Yeah, I hope you kind of like this style of video, because it's just kind of me chilling, talking to you guys like you're my friend, because I don't have any. I'm kidding, but like, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Leave a like, comment down below, follow my social medias in the description box. Yeah. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this of me just like talking to you guys instead of like a tutorial of me being all boring, like, oh, put this color in your crease and blend it out. Like, let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I kind of like doing them. It's kind of fun, but I don't know if they're boring for you, so just let me know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!